Hi everyone, I'm David Marinac with ABC and StandUpPouches.net. We started working overseas with overseas factories over the last 15 years or so. We've learned the hard way what it takes in order to do this successfully. There's a lot more pieces than you really have in mind. Obviously, you got to make sure you find the right factories. You have to have the right people to vet your factories, get people to inspect your quality, etc. The point I wanted to make, let us do this for you. We understand all the different steps that are involved with this. It's going to be very intimidating for you to try to navigate all these waters. We can do this for you. I have my own staff on the ground. Our COO lives in China. I visit the factory 4 times a year specifically for quality audits. The key here is we help every step of the way, and we can help you. Let us help. Thanks.